With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is the domain of definition of function fx is equals to tan pi upon greatest integer x plus 2 is, okay, and here a square bracket represents greatest integer function less than or equals to x, and these are our options. We have to say which of the following option is correct. Okay students, okay, so here there are two things that we observe, that this value, okay, is p upon q form. So greatest integer x plus 2, this value should not be equals to 0, the first thing, okay. And the second thing in this question is, if we'll write this sin x upon, suppose we write tan x as sin x upon cos x, so this will say cos x should not be equals to 0, okay. So over here we'll say cos pi upon greatest integer x plus 2, this value, okay, this value should not be equals to 0, and value of cos x is 0 at n pi. So x should not be equals to n pi. Okay, sorry, at n pi, this is plus minus 1. So this is 4n plus 1 plus minus 1 pi by 2. So x should not be equals to 4n plus minus 1 pi by 2. Okay, so over here n belongs to integer. Okay, so I'm going to write this over here. First of all, this part, pi upon greatest integer x plus 2 should not be equals to 4n plus minus 1 pi upon 2. Both side pi will get cancelled out. Okay, and here we'll get, if we'll reverse this, we'll get greatest integer x plus 2 should not be equals to 2 upon 4n plus minus 1. And what is this? This is integer. Okay, so I'm going to find what integral value this can hold. Okay, this will give plus minus 2. Okay, these are integers. Now if we'll increase n is equals to 2, denominator will be greater than numerator, so no integer. No integer. Modulus of denominator, because this can be negative also, modulus of denominator will be greater than numerator. So this will only form plus minus 2. So from this condition we got greatest integer of x plus 2 should not be equals to plus minus 2. Okay, and from here we can take 2 out because 2 is integer. So we can write greatest integer of x plus 2 should not be equals to plus minus 2. When I will take g plus sign, we will get greatest integer of x not equals to 0. And when I will take minus sign, we will get greatest integer not equals to minus 4. Okay, no problem. Or here what we can write is this x plus 2, okay, should not be less than 3 and greater than equals to 2, then this value gets 2. So this will not hold. Not hold. Okay, so from here we'll get x is less than 1 and greater than equals to 0, not hold. No problem. This was for plus sign. And for minus sign, I am going to write this value is equals to minus 2. It means that x plus 2 should be less than, okay, minus 1 and greater than equals to minus 2. So from here we'll get x should be less than minus 3 and greater than equals to minus 4. Not hold. Okay, so x should not belongs to, from this condition we got, x should not belongs to minus 4 to minus 3 union 0 to 1, 0 close. Okay, now here this value should not be equals to 0. First condition will get x plus 2. This value will be 0 when x plus 2 is less than 1 and greater than equals to 0. So this should not hold. Not hold. So from here we'll get x less than minus 1 greater than minus 2, not hold. Okay, so here also this will be union minus 2 to minus 1, there will be equals to sign, minus 2 to minus 1. So this value x cannot hold. If you'll see, option 1 is wrong, option 2 is wrong, and option 3 is wrong. So option 4 is correct. Answer will be r minus this all. R minus this all. Okay. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.